my name is Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be packing for our trip to Las Vegas. We leave really early in the morning, and then that will be Saturday, and we come back on Tuesdays. You won't see this video until next Thursday, so we will have already gone and come back by then. So it's only like a 4-day trip, so we only need 3 sets of clothes. So we are going Frontier this time. I did not pay for a carry-on, so we are going personal item only. And this time that means backpack. I am taking the Kenneth Cole Reaction backpack that I reviewed in a video a few weeks ago, and my husband is also taking a Kenneth Cole Reaction backpack that I got at Ross recently. It is smaller and it weighs a little less than mine. That will be the bag that he is taking. The second thing I want to say is that if you've seen any of my other packing videos, you know that I'm more of a jeans and t-shirt kind of person. I dress really casually. We're not doing any fancy dinners. We're not going to any shows. There's no reason for me to take dresses or anything like that. I'm just going to need 3 outfits, 1 outfit per day, and it's going to be pretty casual. That's really going to cut down on the amount of clothing that I need to take. So with all that being said, we'll start up here. I'll show you the toiletries and stuff that we're taking, and then we'll go downstairs and see the clothes that I'm bringing. I'll spin you around and show you what the toiletries are that we are taking on the trip. Okay, so if you saw my last packing video, you saw this entire table was full of things that I was bringing with us. For this trip, I'm only going bare minimum. I didn't pay for a bag, and we're flying Frontier. So we're trying to go personal item only. So these are the only like toiletries and extra things I am bringing. As far as toiletries go, this bag is dry toiletries. You can see our brushes are in there, some like face wipes, and then deodorant, medications, toothbrushes, that kind of thing. In this bag is all of our liquids. So shampoo, hairspray, cologne, soap, some of my makeup items, toothpaste. All of our liquids are in this bag, and I'm mostly just trying to use up any sample items that I had lying around. The fact of the matter is we're going to Las Vegas, so if we run out, I can always just run out to Walgreens and get more, so it's not the end of the world. I'm also bringing my flat iron, the world's smallest hairdryer. I know that once we get to Wyndham, we will have a hairdryer in the room. I'm not super worried about it. I know this will get the job done in a pinch, but just in case the one in the room is not very good or I just don't like it, then I have this one. Next, I have just a little first aid kit, so things I would need immediately on hand without having to run to a store, like Advil, Neosporin, Tums, Band-Aids, that kind of thing. This is my dry makeup, so mostly powders. My brushes are in there, just bare minimum just to get me by. And a laundry bag. I don't think I mentioned that before. So that is all of the toiletry things I'm taking. That is all that I'm taking as far as toiletries. For like extras, I have over here, this is our like chargers bag, and this is our power strip. This little pouch has things I might need on the plane. So gum, tissues, Dramamine, Advil, and then sunglasses, and then our headphones for the plane. And just to show you again, these are the backpacks we are taking with us. They're both by Kenneth Cole Reaction. This is the one that I have that I talked about in a video review. I'll post that in the cards. And then this is my husband's. Very similar. It's just a little bit smaller and a little more lightweight. And actually, in all reality, if I can get our clothes in something smaller, I might even look for a smaller backpack for me. So we'll see how that goes. Now let's go downstairs and I will show you the clothes we are taking. Okay, I am downstairs at the bedroom. I am checking my list to make sure I've got everything. But quite frankly, this is all that I'm taking as far as clothes. On the plane, I will have on a pair of boyfriend jeans and a t-shirt and some sneakers. So I will also take an extra pair of like distressed boyfriend jeans, some capri leggings to wear home on the plane. I have 3 shirts. I have a sleeveless, like nicer top for just our running around on our anniversary. I have a t-shirt, a light color t-shirt because it's going to be blazing hot, and then a longer t-shirt to wear with my leggings on the plane on the way home. I have a nightgown, and I have my reading glasses. They should have been with the stuff upstairs, but they were down here because I've been using them. And I'm also taking an extra pair of sandals just in case I want to switch up my footwear. And also packing for my husband, his pile usually looks the same. Just a pair of pajama pants and then an extra pair of shorts. He will also have a t-shirt, shorts, and his sneakers on the plane. And then he also gets three shirts. I am not taking any extras this time. I am notorious for packing as if I'm gonna dump my plate of food on myself every night at dinner. I'm not doing that this time. We're staying at Wyndham. We will have a washer and dryer, so if anything crazy happens, I can always wash our clothes and rewear them. Just the bare minimum because I need to fit it all in a backpack. And on this trip, I'm gonna be using my IKEA packing cubes. I'm so sad they stopped making these. These are and probably will forever be my favorite. They are thinner and smaller than most of my eBags packing cubes, so I'm going to use these. I'm going to try to pack us each in one, so like one packing cube per person. I still need to grab undergarments, so like bras, underwear, socks, and get us packed in the cubes. Okay, I have everything into cubes. These are all of my husband's clothes, including socks and underwear. These are my clothes. I just put my sandals in a shoe bag and then laid them flat on top and closed it up. And then this is my like bras and underwear and socks and my reading glasses. So this is our clothes situation. Have you ever been packing and then you thought, I've got to be forgetting something? That's where I'm at right now. But I've gone over my list and I don't think I forgot anything. So let's go upstairs and put it in the backpacks. All right, I have both backpacks packed. This is the one Mark will carry. It has, his clothes are in the bottom, and then most of our toiletries are in here. Our charging bag and the liquids bag is in the front pocket, so it's easy to get to just in case. This is the backpack that I am carrying. It's got, my clothes are in the bottom, and then more clothes there, my reading glasses. I've got this big empty spot here because since I didn't pay for a bag, this is the only bag I can bring, so I'm gonna need a place to shove my purse into for getting on the flight and during the flight. And I might end up having to take my laptop. So Mark's bag is clocking in about 10 pounds. Mine's about 6, but with my purse and maybe my laptop in here, then it'll probably be about the same. So not too bad for a 4-day trip to Vegas. All right, that is everything we are bringing for a 4-day trip to Las Vegas. The next video that comes out will be the sort of vlog of our trip. I'm not sure how much I'm actually gonna vlog because, I mean, it's our anniversary trip and I sort of want to be in the moment, but I'm sure at least there will be clips of the things that we did. So be on the lookout for that. If you want to follow along on any of our travels, you can always follow me at Where To Not Jenny on Instagram. And other than that, I hope you guys are having a great week and I will see you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye.